Former Formula One vice champion in 2008, Brazilian driver Felipe Massa is considering legal action after losing the title to Lewis Hamilton, then a McLaren driver. This comes in the wake of recent statements made by Bernie Ecclestone, former F1 boss, about having knowledge of the Singapore Gate. It was during the Singapore Grand Prix that Massa, who ended the 2008 season with 97 points, just one less than Hamilton, was allegedly disadvantaged throughout the World Championship. According to Ecclestone, Hamilton should not have been the champion, as the crash of Nelson Piquet Jr. into the wall at turn 14 was supposedly intentional in order to benefit Fernando Alonso, then his teammate at Renault, who won the race. The orders were given by team boss Flavio Briatore and engineer Pat Simons. We decided not to do anything. We wanted to protect the sport and save it from a scandal. There was a rule that said that the position of a world champion was untouchable after the FIA prize-giving ceremony. So Hamilton received the trophy and everything was fine. But we had enough information at that time to investigate the matter. According to the regulations, we should have canceled the race in Singapore under these conditions, said Ecclestone. At the time of the GP, Massa was leading the race and with the crash was allegedly disadvantaged, as Ferrari called the Brazilian driver into the pits under yellow flags, but released him with the refueling hose still attached to the car. I emphasize that the financial side of this story does not interest me, but justice does. If the two most powerful people, the F1 boss and the FIA boss, knew in 2008 and kept quiet, it is very serious and unacceptable for the sport. The Singapore race directly affected all Brazilian motorsport. How could a world title have boosted Brazilian motorsport over the last 15 years? We will never have that answer again. At the moment, I am studying what can be done based on Bernie's recent statements, he told Globosport.com. I don't know if it's possible to split a title. If it's proven that the race was stolen, it has to be canceled. That's justice. It's very difficult to say, oh, poor thing. There's no poor thing in the world. The situation is clear, he told Motorsport.